Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a healthy ragi recipe, that's ragi appam with vegetable stew. It has a unique texture of being crisp on the edges while remaining soft in the center. It can be prepared with minimal ingredients and it's very simple to make at home, and it's a low calorie recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients for ragi appam: to make our ragi batter, first we need to mix ragi powder with some water. For that I have taken 2 cups of ragi powder. To the ragi flour, add 1 cup of water and give a nice mix. This is to easily remove the lumps. Batter is thick, we need some more water. Flour may vary, so add according to it. I am adding 1 more cup of water to make it soft and loose. It should be lump-free batter. This is done. Now let's keep this aside. Into a blender, I am adding 1 cup of grated coconut. For this recipe, use fresh coconut. 1 cup of cooked rice. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of instant yeast. Add the ragi batter. Grind this into a nice smooth batter. Transfer the batter to a bowl. Batter is too thick, so add some water to get that flowing consistency. Now give the batter a nice good mix. Cover it with a lid. Allow the batter to ferment for about 6 to 8 hours. This is after 8 hours. The batter is fermented well. If your batter is not fermented like this, just leave it for a few more hours. Without the fermentation, you won't get a perfect appam. If you are making for breakfast, prepare this the previous night. Or if you are making for dinner, prepare it in the morning. It will set for dinner. Your batter should not be thick or thin. It should be like this, flowing consistency. Set this aside. Now let's make vegetable stew. Ingredients for vegetable stew. First let's prepare veggies. I have taken 1 onion, chop it fine. Two potatoes cut into strips. This way it will cook fast. 1 carrot cut into thin strips. This is 10 to 12 beans cut in 3. Half inch of ginger finely chopped. 2 red chilies and 4 green chilies cut into big pieces. Some coriander leaves chopped. Now let's make a stew. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add half an inch of cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 bay leaf, finely chopped ginger, and saute this for about 30 seconds. Add green chilies and curry leaves and saute it for 10 to 12 seconds. Add chopped onion and saute it for a while. Since it's a stew, no need to make it brown. Onion is turned translucent, nice and pink. Now let's add the veggies and mix well. Add salt according to your taste and mix well. Add 2 cups of water, cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add some green peas, mix well. Cover and cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame. Veggies are perfectly cooked, but the stew is watery, so I'm going to mash some potatoes to get that semi-thick consistency. This is 1 cup of thick coconut milk. In this stage, check for some salt and simmer it for a minute. Finally, add a teaspoon of lemon juice, garnish with some coriander leaves and turn off the flame. This is simple yet very delicious stew. You must definitely give it a try. This is appam pan. Keep the flame on medium. Pour a ladle full of batter in the center. Hold the handle and twirl it to get thin crisp edges. Cover it with a lid. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Do check in between to prevent burning. After 3 minutes, when the edges are crisp and the center looks fluffy, remove it from the pan. Repeat the process till all the appam batter is complete. Another alternative, if you don't have a appam pan, you can always use a dosa pan. Just add some batter, gently spread it, cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is done. Do not turn it, just take it out from the pan. Soft and spongy ragi appam can be served with coconut milk or any other veg or non-veg gravies. Do try this healthy recipe for your breakfast or dinner and share it with your family and friends. And also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.